Today I'll be reviewing the new Remington Botanical hairdryer. This hairdryer has 6 heat settings, a cool shot, a diffuser and concentrator attachment, and it has an infused grill with jojoba, aloe, and rose. I'm testing the hairdryer on a brand new wig that I have just received. I had dyed it and washed it. I dry my wigs to about 90% and let the rest air dry. Here's what the first layer looks like without any product in it. For the rest of the wig, I'm going to go in with the heat protectant and just dry the rest of the hair and see how it looks. And here's the wig dried at 90%. I'm super happy with how it came out.